So, hello guys. Before I say anything, here are the categories in which our details can be categorized. Here's a brief story of the complete plot of this episode before we move on to the exciting details. So, Zemo is broken free by our heroes to find more about Super Soldier Serum, for which they go to Madripur, where they find out that Dr. Wilfred Nagel has recreated it and has made 20 of such kind, from which 8 have been used and other 12 have been stolen by Kali Morgan Daw. And from this info they go to Riga, Latvia, but Arbaki finds out that Ayo, one of the guards of T'Challa from Wakanda, is also there for Zemo, and that's it. That's the whole plot of the episode. First up, Wolverine and the mutants introduction. So, there were heavy hints and appearances of mutants in this episode, such as the character to whom Zemo asks about Dr. Nagel, uh, which is our Selby, and in comics, Selby is a male character and is a mutant first appearing in Excalibur issue 104 in October of 1992. Then, when Sam is going to Madripur, he is disguised by Azimo as Conrad Mack, aka Smiling Tiger, and in comics, Smiling Tiger is a character who resembles or somewhat looks like Wolverine. We get another hint of Wolverine when Sam, Bucky, and Zemo go to a bar named Princess Bar to meet Selby in Madripoor. And in comics, it is owned by a guy named Patch, also known as Wolverine. Can you believe? Then we get another hint of mutants in the scene where our heroes are interrogating with Dr. Nagel, in which Jaeger is written on Dr. Nagel's one of his lab equipments, and Jaeger in comics is a neo mutant, and neo mutants are a subspecies of mutants. So it is a heavy mutant spoiler, no, not spoiler, detail or hint. So all these hints, details, and cameos clearly state that in the future, mutants will be a big part of the MCU. Number 3. King Kong and Power Broker connected. So, when when Zemo is telling about the Madripoor, Sam asks him if it is some kind of Skull Island or something like that. So after that, there is a monkey logo of monkey shown while they are going inside the bar, and then we also see many skulls of the monkeys inside that bar, and also our power broker is said to be the king of the Madripur, just like our Kong, who is the king of the Skull Island. They are doing the directors and others are doing this because on Disney Plus, Kong the Skull Island is there, and along with this Falcon and the Winter Soldier, which is the original series of Disney Plus. So they are just promoting their other shows. Number 3. Madripur Fun Fact. So, a conversation between our heroes Zemo and Sharon reveals that the rare paintings of the world which are smuggled are sold here.
तुम्हें पता है ऐसी क्लासिक पेंटिंग कितने में बिकती है?
मेरे सामने नाटक मत करो, मुझे पता है ये पेंटिंग्स नकली हैं।
नहीं, ये असली हैं। ये चोरी की हुई ओरिजिनल पेंटिंग्स हैं। मोने, फैन गो, क्लासिक्स।
ये सच है। बड़े बड़े म्यूजियम्स में रखी आधी पेंटिंग नकली होती हैं। असली चीजें तो ऐसी जगहों पर होती हैं।
In lotteries and auctions, and the club in which they go there, in the scene when the camera is zooming in, we see a person holding the tablet and seeing the prizes for the lotteries, and in which we recognized one of them, which is the Great Wave of Kanagawa. So we recognized it because we also watched the Augie and the Cockroaches, in which in the episode of the Augie, the manga star, there they also showed the same painting. So we were able to recognize, but the other one we didn't recognize that much well. We also searched in the Google, but we didn't get that. And there were also many paintings kept in glass boxes there, which makes me in the club, which makes me think that along with functioning as a club and for parties and everything, it also functions as an auction for the smuggled paintings and things to be sold. So a fourth point is Thor: Love and Thunder movie's connection with Falcon and the Winter Soldier. So along with Jaeger, there was also another name written on another lab equipment of Dr. Nagel, which was Geri, Geri. I don't know if the pronunciation is right or wrong, but Geri is also one of the wolves which are Odin domesticated. Odin, our father of Thor. Yeah, father of Thor. So he domesticated those gigantic wolves. We saw one of those gigantic wolves in the Thor Ragnarok movie, whom which are not Thor, Hulk fighted, and this clearly makes a connection, indirect connection between Madripur, which is in Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and the Love and Thunder. So we may see Thor and in his movie Madripur too. So that's a new hint. Point number 5: Black Panther 2 connection with the Falcon and the Winter Soldier series. So, as I told in the plot explanation, that Bucky in the last moments of the episode meets with a black woman whose name we know is Ayo, and she is from Wakanda, and I think she will be involved in the whole series, and she said she's here for Zemo. So I think in Black Panther 2, the Zemo and Falcon and the Winter Soldier will have a major role along with Shuri and others from Wakanda, and that is very much cool and amazing.
सोच ही रहा था कि तुम सामने कब आओगी.
Nidesego Zemo.
So, all in all, the series finally picked up some pace and space in our hearts with its old vibe, with this episode, which gave us, the nerds, some work to do with its big reveals, details, and story arc. And we loved this episode because of its vibe of the old Marvel movies. And if we put it into simple words, this episode was just phenomenal. So, finally, what I want to say to you guys is that me and my brother have researched all these details and these Easter eggs on our own, and we have not copied from anywhere else. And some of the details are so big that everybody noticed, but some of the details like Gary or the Selby mutant, Selby being the mutant, or like the Jaeger, and many more are not noticed by many. So what I request to you guys is that we have put so much effort into these videos. I want you guys to share this and like this. So that's a request. And for more such content, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for future updates. and you can follow me on Instagram. My IG ID is shashank.puttapanava, and I have also made a Telegram channel so that if I put a new video, you can get instant link for it and you can go directly and watch it. And I will also share some fun facts and some secret hidden details which I couldn't put into the videos there. And the link for that channel, that Telegram channel, will be in the description. And also I will tell it. So it is t.me/Shashank KP 2007. There's no gap in between. So, and from these metals, sorry, not metals, from these methods, we all will be connected with each other and we can grow as a community. So that's it. We are gonna wrap up this video. So I'm Shashank and you're watching Imagine Point.